So partnership. So in partnership, first some basic terminologies. Profit sharing ratio. Sir, A and B start a business with rupees 50 rupees and 70 rupees. So what is the profit ratio? So their profit ratio is, so 0 0 cancelled, the value is 5 is to 7. So their profit ratio is 5 is to 7. This is the wrong answer. So this capital is, A is invested 50 rupees for 7 months. So B is invested his amount for 5 months. So their profit ratio is that 350 is to 350. So they are in the ratio of 1 is to 1. So this is the capital are in the ratio of capitals are 50 and 70. Then time is 7 months and 5 months. Then their profit is in the ratio, profit sharing ratio is capital into time. So here profit sharing ratio is, so profit is equal to capital into time. So two persons A and B invest a amount for 50 rupees and 70 rupees. The time is same. So time is, so 12 months, 12 months. Then the capital ratio is 5 is to 7. Then the profit ratio is 5 is to 7. So when time is same, the capitals are in the ratio of 5 is to 7, then the profit is also in the ratio of 5 is to 7. So in partnership, profit sharing is equal to capital into time. So here the capital is equal to profit by time, or time is equal to profit by capital. So next one is types of partners. Types of partners. So there is a two types of partners. First one is sleeping partner. Sleeping partner. Next, second one is working partner. So working partner. So two persons A and B start a business. Says a sleeping partner. Sleeping partner invest the money but not working. Here the working partner is not working. So A is a sleeping partner, invest the capital but not working. So B is a working partner. So working partner invest a money and do the work. సో క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసి పని చేయకపోతే వాటిని స్లీపింగ్ పార్ట్నర్ అంటాం. సో క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసి వర్కింగ్ కూడా చేస్తే వాళ్ళని వర్కింగ్ పార్ట్నర్ అంటాం. టూ పర్సన్స్ ఏ అండ్ బి, ఏ ఈజ్ a sleeping partner and B is a working partner. They earn the profit of 2 lakhs. So 10% amount is salary of working partner and the remaining amount is distributed their capitals. That means their profit is 2 lakhs. So 10 percentage of 2 lakhs is the salary of B. So 10 percentage of 2 lakhs is 20,000. So 20,000 is the salary of working partner B. The remaining amount is 80,000. This 80,000 amount is distributed among A and B of their capitals. So there is no profit, the working partner has no salary. So the salary is given on profit. So that is the difference between sleeping partner and working partner. There is another partner in partnership, that one is a goodwill or asset. So there is a one person not working, not investing. So not working, not investing. సో క్యాపిటల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేయరు, వర్క్ చేయరు, బట్ ఆ పర్సన్కు ఉన్న నేమ్ వల్ల మన బిజినెస్ అనేది రన్ అవుతుంది. సో అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి మనం ఏమిస్తామంటే గుడ్ విల్ ఆర్ అసెట్. గుడ్ విల్ అసెట్. Some logical questions. So this is some basic terminology on partnership. So A and B start a partnership with rupees 1500 and 2000. After 4 months, C also joins the business with rupees 2250. If B withdraw his capital after 9 months, then find the share of profit of B in a total profit of rupees 900. So A, B and C. So A and B start a business with capital. So the capital is 1500 and B is 2000. So after 4 months, C also joins with a business with capital, so 2250. So A and B start a business. So A capital is 1500, B capital is 2000. After 4 months, C also joins with a business with rupees 2250. So B withdraw his capital after 9 months. So the time is, so after 4 months C joins. That means C invested his money in 8 months. So B withdraw his capital after 9 months. That means B invested his money for 9 months. So A invested full time, that means 12 months. Find the share of profit of B in the total profit of 900. Here the profit is capital into time. Here the capital is 1500, the time is 12. So total value is 15 into 12, 180, so 18,000. So 2000 into 9, so value is 18,000. So 82,250 into 8, value is 18,000. So capitals are 80,000 into profit are in the ratio of 18,000 is to 18,000 is to 18,000. They are in the ratio of 1 is to 1 is to 1. So 3 units value is equal to 900. So 1 unit value is equal to 900 by 3. So value is 200. So find the share of profit of B. Profit of B is 1 unit. So 1 unit values into 200, the value is 200 rupees. A and B start a business with rupees 50 and rupees 45. After 4 months, A withdraw half of his capital and B withdraw half of his capital after 6 months, and C joins the business with a capital of rupees 70 after 6 months. Find the profit sharing ratio. Here A, B and C. So their capitals are, so A and B start a business with 50 rupees and 45 rupees. After 4 months, A withdraw half of his capital. That means A invest his capital for 4 months. So after 4 months, he withdraw half of his capital. That means half of 50. So 25 rupees. So invest 25 rupees for next 8 months. So B withdraw half of his capital after 6 months. So B invests 45 rupees for 6 months. So next 6 months he invests half of 45. So 22 rupees, 22.5 rupees for next 6 months. So C joins the business with capital of 70 rupees after 6 months. That means invest the amount for 6 months. So find the profit sharing ratio. So profit share, time in capital into time plus capital into time. So value is 200 plus 200. So value is 400 is to 45 into 6. 45 into 6, 30, 270 plus, so 30, 0, 3, 15, 135. So 270 plus 135. So value is 405 is to 70 into 6, so 420. So cancel 5, 80 is to 81 is to 84. So profits are in the ratio of 80 is to 81 is to 84.